Good morning, everybody. For those of you who do not know me or don't recognize me, my name is Tony Vargas, and this is the Tony Vargas vlog. Anyways, it's been a while since I have vlogged. A few things have changed, as you might tell. Number one, I haven't vlogged in a while. And the reason I haven't vlogged in a while is I had a pesky little neighbor who decided to complain about me. I got her a video. Click on the iCard to see what my neighbor did. Let's see what else is new. Let's see, I've lost a few pounds. Here's the before picture. Got the wife pregnant. Baby came. Beautiful little baby girl. Here's a picture of her too. Also, I grew a beard. We're not celebrating that at home. And I'm on FMLA, so I have a lot of time off. So since I'm home, I got some time off. Baby's home, baby's healthy. I thought I'm gonna go do a barbecue and invite the in-laws over for tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go out to my favorite meat market, the Chorizo San Manuel meat market up in San Manuel, Texas. Get some ribeyes, and I think I'm gonna prepare them for a reverse sear. Let's go take. Alright guys, let's do an unboxing video. Let's see what all this hype is about. Ladies and gentlemen, this meat was off the cow about 30 minutes ago. Boom. Prime cut ribeyes. Alright guys, so we got our famous rub here. We got the chupacabra steak seasoning. Of course, you can use whatever kind of steak seasoning you want, make it your own. And of course, we got our fresh ribeyes. Let's go ahead and let's unpack them. Let's get them out of your packaging and let's season them up. Alright guys, we just finished putting the steaks that are seasoned in the fridge, so we're going to stay here overnight. In the meantime, let's go over to the barbecue pit and let's get everything ready. Join me. Pellet grill. One of the most popular grills going out. But you know what? They suck. And I'm going to tell you why. So, a lot of people like to get this kind of pellet grill because they think it works like an oven. You just set the temperature to whatever you want to be and you think, just set it and forget it. Well, out of all the grills that I have, this one, the pellet grill, is the most unreliable grill that I have. Why? Because even when I put it at 250, the temperature will range anywhere from 170 all the way up to 400. I cannot trust my temperatures at all on this. The pellets, they come in all these different kind of flavors, hickory, mesquite, competition blends. They just don't do the same kind of justice as when you throw in a real log, like on a side burner. So if you're thinking about getting a pellet grill, don't do it. The only reason I want to do this, use this for my cook in the morning, is because there's a lot of space. I need to use all the space to put on my steaks. Now here's a basic anatomy class of the pellet grill. In the back, it gets full with all the pellets. Gary brings them down. There's a burner down here on the bottom, and then the pellets, they come out. They burn right here in this little burner. Here's a little pellet right here. When it rains, when there's humidity, whenever something happens, these little pellets right here, they blow up into little mini wooden balloons, and they clog it. So what's going on today is my pellet grill does not want to feed into the burner because the pellets have swelled up, clogging my thing. So now I need to disassemble this entire mechanism, clean out all those pellets, and then maybe I can get going. This is how we're going to do it. Alright guys, so here's a different angle. This of course is the back, laying flat, the back of the pellet grill. All the pellets come in here, gravity brings them down. And you can see, there could be some in here. See how much they swelled up? They get fed through a fan and through an auger through here. Looks like a giant corkscrew, and then pushes it out there. I need to take this piece apart, open it up, and remove all those swollen pellets so we can get the flow going. Let's do it. Alright guys, I finally got to the auger. You can tell I'm pulling it out. Not only do they swell up, but also there's all this dust. So let's see what else we have by pulling this out. This is bad. Right in here, this is a part that all it is a whole bunch of dust. Let's clean it up. Alright, still trying to get all the stuff out. As you can tell, it's all impacted really bad, especially on this side. They all swelled up and now they're stuck, and it's all dust. Try to see if I can get all that out through this opening down here. You can tell that's also packed up with dust, and see if we can get it going. If not, I don't know how we're gonna do that barbecue tomorrow. Yeah, there's always a big red egg. Alright, it took me a couple hours, but I finally got all the stuff out, and I want to show it to you. This is why pellet grills are the absolute worst thing. Look at how much sawdust that is. They're not even pellets, they're just sawdust. And it also made a huge mess. So anyways, let me go ahead and put everything back together, throw this up. Let me do a burn just to get rid of the rest of that dust. And that should be it for tonight as far as getting the barbecue pit ready. Man, terrible. I would never have this problem with an offset, with a Kamado, or anything else that I have. Terrible product. Pit boss, you are not the boss. Good morning everybody again for the second time in this video. Through the magic of editing, we are now on the next day. The meat is now seasoned and I am bathed. Let's check it out before we put it into our preheated 225-degree smoker.
of the things I forgot to show you last night, because I wasn't sure what I was going to do, is if you remember, we took out all those pellets, all that, not really pellets, they were more like sawdust, and I collected them, and I put them over here. This, by the way, is a disco. We'll do another recipe on this. You can see we have all the sawdust, we have all these pellets whatsoever. I'm not going to throw them away. What I have also is I have an electric smoker. I don't cook here, because it doesn't do anything, but I do have my meat rest here. So what I'm doing is I'm bringing up my electric smoker up to 200 degrees. To get some flavor, I'm going to go ahead and let me flip over this camera. Okay. I'm going to get this little, I don't know what you call it, get it out. Fill it up with my sawdust. Sorry guys, trying to videotape with one arm. Put it in there. And now I'm infusing my heater with that mesquite smoke. Once again, I don't cook here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse sear it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to smoke my meat up to about 150, 151 degrees, medium well. I'm going to come bring it over to my gas grill, get this super hot, get a real nice sear. I'm going to let the steaks rest, so all the juices redistribute here in the electric smoker, which I'm going to bring down to 140 degrees, which is the temperature that I want to eat. Actually, no, I want to bring that up to 151, which is the temperature for medium well. I'm sorry. I'm going to bring it up to 151 degrees. Let it distribute the juices for a few minutes. Then we're going to serve it, and we're going to eat. Yummy. Alright, so these are my reasons why I believe any pellet grill is the worst grill you can get. Number one, the biggest thing is this glass. In the picture, you're supposed to see through it. You can't see anything. Now you can go with a Brillo pad or a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. You can get rid of all that, but just by doing some simple little steaks, this thing messes up. So this for sure is one of the biggest things why I think this is the worst grill you can get. Number two, the worst thing of this grill is the control panel location. Can you tell what temperature I'm at? Neither can I. I only know where I'm at. And the reason this is so dirty is because when I want to check my meat, to say I want to pull this out to grab out my steaks, all the juice falls straight down onto that. The location of this is so terrible. You never know what temperature you're at. Hopefully this dial is correct, and it's just a huge mess. Issue number three I have with a pellet grill is no matter what kind of pellets I put in here, it will never taste as good as flavor you can get from lump charcoal, mesquite wood, or like I have in the other corner, some wood chips. The aroma coming out here, it's awesome. It smells super good, but the taste, it's just not there. If you're looking for a smoky flavor, no good. Alright, our steaks are done. Let's move them over here to the gas grill that got super hot. And let's start reverse searing.
In the words of Britney Spears, oops, I did it again. This is the second time I make something, I show all the steps, and I forget to show the audience what it looks like. Luckily, I made some extra steaks. I know it does not do justice, but they smell awesome, they smell good. There is no smoke ring because pellet smokers don't leave smoke rings. But it came out good. Lizzie, by the way, my wife, God bless her soul, she's breastfeeding right now, so she can't come on camera. How was this? How was the steak?
Yummy, and baby's enjoying it too.
Ah. From 1 to 10, how would you recommend it? Or how would you rate it?
A 9.
A 9? Awesome. Now, this was served at your favorite steak restaurant.
and I'm not talking about Golden Corral or Applebee's. If this was an upscale steak restaurant, how much would you pay for this steak?
27 to 30 bucks.
We paid 17 for it, so I made some money in return. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you later. Bye.